I was done with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE, and I just got my new auxiliary toolbox for my Ram 3500. Her name is Fanny. Gonna open that up and tell you guys what I got and why I got it, and we'll get this thing rolling. Roll tape. So the box just arrived from FedEx and Amazon. I ordered this additional toolbox to go in my Fanny girl here, so that way I can have some extra tools with me. I'll be venturing on to a new job doing RV transporting, so I needed something else to hold my tools instead of keeping them in the compartment or the cab with me, because I'll be needing other stuff in there. But this is it's funny, it sounds like a Chinese meal, but it's a King Chow Fu. Yep, King Chow Fu. It's 39 inches long, 15 inches wide, and 15 inches tall. We'll check the dimensions when I get it, but the price was $129 and no shipping fee. Other boxes I looked at say they were like 90 bucks, but then you had like a $29 shipping fee, so you were about the same price as this. But this one has weather seal on it, it's lockable, and it was 15 by 15 and its dimensions instead of like 15 by 10. They were all 39 inches long. It's supposed to be diamond plate. And here, let me show you, like watching that box the whole time. Anyway, I've been out here working, installing a awning system with my in-laws, so a little wore out from that, but this box showed up and I'm excited to put it into the truck. But where was I? Oh, the other boxes weren't on sale, but if you add the shipping onto them, they got about the same price as this one with free shipping. The other thing that this came with was two little tool trays inside of it, so we'll check for that as well. So we'll get this box open. I'm gonna set it up in the truck, get the tape measure, get some mounting, some fasteners to mount it to the deck of my truck. So I'm gonna put it back here in this area, close to the back end, so that way my fifth wheel hitch from my big girl there can still, or anything I tow for the company, can go over the top of the box and still hit my fifth wheel hitch. Now the fifth wheel hitch, I made sure the plate, the coupling plate, is going to be higher than the toolbox. And then the toolbox, let's go ahead and get over here, that I'm going to get all these tools inside of it, because I carry these in the camper because I had no room in my main toolbox in the truck. This toolbox by Cobalt, it was nice for a while, but after 3 years of abuse back here, the lid's finally given out on me. So this is a prime opportunity. I said prime, and it's a prime toolbox, prime deal toolbox. Anyway, so let me get some tools, get some fasteners, we'll get this box open, see what we got. Like painted with some kind of rubber coating. That's pretty cool. It's definitely the right size for what I need it to do back here. It doesn't look 15 inches tall though. Let me go get some tools. All right, I'm hoping this microphone's blocking this weed eating guy behind us on this other property, but it seems like there's some confusion in the ad. So the description for this toolbox reads 15 by 15 by 39, but then when you go down to order, the one that I clicked, I guess, which is my bad for being a dumbass, but what I'm gonna say is that this is the 10-inch high one. So there's multiple boxes on that ad, so you might want to double check before you go pushing the buy button. But we're gonna go with this because I don't want to deal with the hassle of returning it, and this is a good size box for what I need to have it do, for what I need it to do anyway. And plus, I think if I went to the 15, I'd be even I'd get real close to get my kingpin over the top of it. So I think this is going to work out actually better. So we'll go with that. But what I'm going to do is we're going to center it up here, get it back on these hips here, and make sure you can see. So we'll move y'all over here, maybe. So from the sidewall, that one's 14. 16 and a half. So let's go between here. We'll get center. So we got 58 and a half. So 29 inches is center. Sweet. So we'll center up the, ooh, that sucker got hot. All right, so we'll go with 10 and a quarter, 10 and an eighth. So we'll go 10 and 3/16. 10 and 3/16. All right, now that we got it centered, let's make sure the tailgate can close. We can actually move that forward up to that line right there. There's a line right here in my bed that I think I'm gonna use as a marker. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little hydraulic lift on it. Comes with these trays. Ooh, I did. Let's check that out. They're like RV containers. Ain't that the shiznit? Well, yeah, I did not know they did that. Just making sure that y'all can see that. So you can go shallow or you can go deep. That's what she said. But yeah, cool. So they fit right there. The other one does the same. Ha! All right, that's pretty cool. All right, time to put some holes in it. And so what I'm gonna use is the self-drilling screws, metal to metal. That's what I mounted my other toolbox with. I'll get 4 of these puppies out. Folks, just like that. So pretty nice box. Can't see if I got showing you the fasteners. We'll clean this out and move my tools over, but overall the keys are on the side. Got some handles here. Good thing about this 39-inch is that you can still get to your plugs. Got to refasten this fire extinguisher and clean up my stuff. But there you go. Easy peasy to install. Again, it's a pretty nice box. I'll put a link in the description below. And y'all have a good day. That's all I got to say about that. And y'all subscribe. Comment if you got any other toolbox ideas that you've done in your trucks. And I'll be seeing you out there in video world on some other stuff. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Don with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE out.